Hey guys, I'm super excited about this video. So, me and my boyfriend purchased our first home together, and this is how it looks. We bought an old house and we're going to fix it up. So, we bought like a fixer-upper. So, I'm showing you guys this video so you can see how it started and what it looks like now and how we're gradually making it look better. So, stay tuned. This little part of the house was like a back patio. There was the laundry room, and then between the sliding doors there, that's the den. That's the area where we kind of knocked down and added the addition. You're going to see more of that part as the video goes on, but I'm giving you guys a tour of the house. It was a 3-1. Now it's going to be a 4-2. So this is the kitchen and the living room, and then I'm going to show you guys the guest bathroom and then the three other rooms. Sorry. So here my boyfriend is showing the workers the blueprint so they'll know how to follow the guidelines onto where to add the addition at, how wide, how long, what's getting knocked down that's old, and what's getting built up that's new. Here they knocked down everything that was supposed to be knocked down and getting ready for the addition. So we're going to get some fill, a lot of sand, just so that they can make it level on the back of that part of the house for the addition, so that they can create the cement ground so it could be leveled evenly. So here they already have the bricks and all that up. They're just adding on the roof part to the back of the house. And this is the front part right here where they took off, where it was the old roof. They took it off, so that's why all that junk right there on the side, but that was the old roof. So they lifted up the old roof on this side of the house because this was a flat top. Once the camera go up a little bit more, I can there you go, so you can see it. So it was a flat roof right there, so now they took that part off and they're going to level it up so it can sit up a little higher. So this is them now moving to the front part of the house. Go ahead, Grandma. Huh? You just be careful. Okay, so now this is what the house is looking like, gradually getting there, not there all the way. So I'm going to go inside and let you guys see that part of the little roof that I was telling you about that was a flat top. Now they brung the roof up high to give this room some more height because it was a step down, y'all. So now they put cement in and brung the floor up, so the roof became shorter. So we had to expand the height on this roof in this room here. And then, yes, it's a whole bunch of junk in the house because right now they're just tearing down old walls and stuff like that. So once I start taking you guys to the back, yes, a bunch of stuff. That's our windows and doors, the new windows and doors, some drywood and all that stuff. Yeah, so once I take you guys to the back, you'll see where now we added a hole in the wall right there because that's going to be a door on your left hand side. Right there is the laundry room door that we added in the inside, and we expanded that. Big laundry room.
Many months later.
Okay, so now it's starting to look like a house, guys. We changed out the windows, got new windows. We're getting a column. They're not finished building on that yet. And then the door, we got to change the door. This is what we looking like. This is the first room. I don't know if y'all remember, it was short, the roof stopped right there, and now it's added on so it could be higher. We put concrete on the ground to make it come up. This used to be a step down. It's the living room. The rooms. He emptied out this bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. So that used to be a window right there, but now that's got the dry wood in there. We're closing it off, making it a regular wall. Won't be no window there no more. Only window is this one. And we closed this one off as well. It used to be a window there too. But now there's got to be a wall for the addition, the master bedroom. This is the kitchen.
This ain't gonna work. This shit too small.
This is the laundry room. We added this wall. Last video, this was closed off. We broke it open and made it into a wall. It made it into a laundry room. And then this is the master bed. So now we're going to add a hallway. So that's going to be a hallway. So you can't see directly in the room. You have to turn it in. And this is where the magic is. Oh, that's our front door. This is our back door to the outdoor of the room, of our room, sorry. And then this is the his and hers closet. And over here is our bathroom. And that's gonna be, this is gonna be a stand-up shower. We're gonna have the standalone tub, vanity, his and hers vanity. Then we got a commode, which is the bathroom that closes off Sorry, the toilet closes off for long. I don't want to be smelling nobody when they're using the bathroom. And then this would be my vanity, where I would be getting all queued up in my new YouTube videos. It'll be right up in here when it's all done. Okay, so this completes my video for now, guys. So if you're interested in seeing more and more updates, I will have part 2. Continue watching my channel and supporting me. Thank you.